Did you suddenly lose power to your RV's fridge and freezer? In this video, I'm going to be showing you a few places where that could go wrong and how to fix them. My name is Rick Burrows, you're watching Fix It Rick, so let's fix it. First problem that you want to look for, does your fridge actually have electricity? To find the power, what you have to do is you have to take this cover off, and you can tell this is the fridge. It has a little drip tube for the condensation to come out. Using a flathead screwdriver or a Gerber, you want to go ahead and turn these little things, and then you want to lift and pull. Alright, once you remove the cover, the first thing you need to find is this electrical cord for the fridge. We're going to use this voltage tester by pressing the button, and then if it lights up red, there's power there. Now if we had touched it and it stayed green, then we know that a circuit breaker is tripped inside the RV. If you need one of these voltage testers, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. What we need to do next is take the power cord and unplug it. This makes it safe to go inside the panel box to check the fuses. Taking a small flathead screwdriver, you want to go ahead and then wedge it open, and the door should come right off. It may have one screw holding onto it, so once we have the cover off, you're going to notice that there's a fuse here and a fuse here. These two are responsible. If either one of these blows, then your fridge and your freezer isn't going to be working. And I can tell already because the fuse glass is all discolored. This fuse is no good. We're going to use that same voltage tester to pry it out, and because the power is off, we get to touch it. So you can go to your local automotive place and get replacement fuses. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can get the right fuse. And you only want to replace the fuse with the fuse amp rating that's written right on the board. This one says 5 amp, so we're going to replace it with a 5 amp fuse. We're going to go ahead and plug that back in. We're going to put the cover back on. Now we'll plug our fridge back in. Let's go inside and take a look. So you can see after a few hours that the fridge is getting very cold. The freezer also has gotten back to its normal temperature. Pumpkin is now inspecting to see if the freezer is working. Going in the freezer. Oh, look at that. For some reason he needs to be in the freezer. I don't know. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you want to see more videos with him and me showing you how to fix stuff, subscribe to Fix It Rick and hit the bell notification to get all my videos. You guys are awesome. You are getting so much better at fixing things. Smash that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you get more videos with him in it. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you and only He can solve your biggest problem. Hey.